So today I would like you to complete a challenge in maths if you can. Like we do in class, you can choose between your challenges. So I've put two challenges for you to choose from. You can choose one, or you can even do both of them. These are, remember, problem solving and reasoning challenges. That means that you will need to either draw something, you might need to explain something. So for instance, in the first challenge where it says, has Eva shown the equal groups correctly? I don't want you to just write a yes or a no there. I would like you to explain, you can put a yes or a no, but I'd like you to explain how you know that. So that could be, so here it says draw or use cubes to show what Eva should have done. Okay, so you might like to draw something in your book to show that correctly and explain, or you might like to write a sentence to explain it. Okay, and the same for the next one. How can you make the groups equal? I would like you to show me a drawing of how you can make those groups equal. Good luck with your challenges.